stop and pick 'em up, cause you might be the next one stuck.
Hey guys, it's Kayla. So I didn't even realize that my microphone wasn't even working. Like, I'm having issues with the front camera. So let's kind of just get into this video. I'm basically just saying that there's this I'm just trying to clean the walls, and obviously it's still there. This is unnecessary though, but I just want to get into this video. I'm going to be doing a turmeric face mask for 7 days, because I'm having a lot of problem areas. You can tell on the side of my face, my forehead, there's a whole bunch of, like, you know, discoloration, dark spots. I'm having a couple of craters going on. It could possibly be because of my sheets. I mean, not my sheets, but like the detergent, or possibly like pillowcases. I probably need to wash them like probably 3 times. I mean, not 3 times, but you know, 3 days a week probably now. I have no clue. It could be a hormonal issue too. I really don't know. But this is just me applying the face mask on my face, and yeah, I'm gonna let you guys watch the video, and I'll just come back here in between if I feel like I need to. But enjoy the video, subscribe to the land, and give this a like if you want to. And let's see if this turmeric mask is going to be beneficial or not. Okay, so basically, right here, I'm just telling you guys that I'm going to leave this on for 20 minutes, and then I'm going to wash your tracks today. So. Yo, it's Friday night, and it feels alright. This is how we do it, yeah. Okay. I'm back. I'm gonna wash this out. I have done this for like 20 minutes. I'm just gonna I'm gonna go wash my face and then come back to you guys. It's pretty cool. What the hell? Oh my god.
Oh my god! Wow! Oh my god!
Oh my god. Wait, how the fuck do I get rid of this now? What the hell? I thought I used the organic stuff.
Gotcha, bitch!
I'm Michael Jordan. Stop it. Get some help.
I feel like I'm not even surprised. People in the comments said this was gonna fucking turn your face red. But not me. Okay, that worked. Cool beans. Okay, so I guess the tip would be to, right after you like get the turmeric, basically just wash your face again to get any residue off from the turmeric. Obviously I'm not gonna see results in a day. I just have some mad issues going on with my face right now. Guys, okay guys, I'm back. This is day 2. I'm gonna do a side by side. I don't really know if I see a difference, but I haven't checked the I really haven't checked the I'm really dry. Like, my face is so dry. I just washed my face, so I haven't really checked the before and after. This is how it looks, and now I'm gonna jump into day 2 and see if this works or not. I just have these big ass craters. I'm just like, why?
But I'm going nowhere anyway, so. And even if I did go somewhere, I don't know how much it would matter to me.
Purchase your tracks today.
I just want to get straight into it and don't do too much talking. I think a lot of the acne went away.
Okay, I'm gonna leave this on my face for 20 minutes again, and then I will show you guys what it looks like when my face is cleared up. Okay, once again the volume went out because I didn't do that trick that I do. But I'm basically just saying that I left it on my face for 20 minutes, and now I just washed it off, and I'm just showing you guys basically how it looks on day 2 after I put the turmeric mask on my face. So those previous clips you saw, basically it was on day 2 before I put the mask on my face, which is pretty self-explanatory, but sometimes it can get confusing, so I just want to make sure I explain it to you guys.
Glad music.
Hey guys, I'm back with another video. This is early in the morning time, so bear with me. Oh my god, I look too crazy. Like, my eyes puffed up, so I'm not coming out with anything. I am rising above it, but these people around my house are coming down with it all. But yeah, no, I look crazy, but we're gonna move forward with this. I'm gonna stop this turmeric. No, my baby, you need to really do better. How do I fix this lighting? Because this lighting is a mess. I'm looking crazy. This is fine. Like, I'm not looking the best of the best, but what I wanted to tell you guys is that I'm going to discontinue this this turmeric mask. I know I wanted to hold out for the 7 days, but let me tell you all the types of problems that I'm having with this turmeric mask right now. So my face is literally so dry because I was washing to get the yellow stuff off my face. After I was pretty much washing my face 2 times. I can't really do this challenge anymore. Like, my face is getting from bad to worse. Like, I started out the challenge with my skin looking better than it's been throughout these 4 days. This is the 4th day, and this is how my face looks before. Yeah, this is how my face looks right now. The left side of my face, and this is the right side of my face. Okay, and this is how, like, the left side of my face looks. And keep in mind, it just like in the lighting on a whole bunch of things right now. Like, right now it's pretty dark outside, so I'm filming. It's 7 o'clock in the morning, so I'm filming, like, Right, but I'm gonna put an end to this challenge because like, look at, I never get pimples like on the bridge of my, like the bridge or in between my eyebrows like this. I really get pimples on my that stay long on my forehead. The only pimples that I usually get are on my sides, but it's never like this horrible. So I had like a crazy breakout because pretty much I don't know what it was. All I know is I think I was eating way too much dairy. You kind of analyze the week, kind of figure out what was going on. I was eating probably way too much dairy. When I say dairy, I mean just cheese, because I remember I had spaghetti that week. I was eating a lot of eggs, which I normally don't even eat that many eggs, but I was eating so many egg sandwiches. My face is too dry to be kicking and cracking up on TV. I mean, on the screen. But yeah, there's a whole bunch of issues going on. I'm sorry, I don't even touch my face like this, but I'm trying. It's so hard not to touch your face when you're trying to tell somebody what's going on with the video. So this is me stopping the challenge. Even though I'm stopping it, I'm not gonna encourage any, like, do with these DIYs. Yeah, DIYs, you kind of have to play around with things. I used to do a lot of DIYs, but now I just stick to like soap and water, and that's it on my face, and that's what clears off my breakouts. But I wanted to just try this turmeric challenge, not challenge, but this turmeric mask, because I'm like, okay, well, hey, you know, I have some turmeric that my brother left in the fridge. I think that this could really help, because a lot of people got, you know, good reviews off of it. But like I said, nobody's skin is the same, and right now this is just drying out my skin like a mother effer. So I'm gonna stop this mask. So that is pretty much gonna be it. So I stopped on day 4. But if you guys like this video, enjoyed it, got some type of information from it at all, please subscribe to the land, give this video a like if you guys want to, and leave a comment. Is there some things that you guys want me to do on my channel? I kind of, if you look, I kind of do a whole bunch of everything going on pretty much on my channel. I'm sorry I didn't like go through the 7 days and show you the results, but like, I'm not gonna like risk results risk my face on, you know, some 7-day results when I know it's not working. My skin is like about to dry and rip the hell off my face. So yes, like I said, give this video a like if you want to like it, and you know, subscribe. But everything dry up, like dry like one desert. It's really just dry, and I know my face, like, usually the face will heal itself. So anytime you get a scar, acne, anything, it's going to repair and heal itself on its own. You don't need to be putting all these different masks, oils, everything on your face. Literally, if you just do a regular cleanser and moisturizer routine with just drinking water, eating right, exercising, you should have a clear face. But this is outside of, like, if you actually have like problems going on with you, then obviously you may need to go to the dermatologist and check it out. You may have an underlying disease that you don't even know about, thyroid problems. You may have also, what's the word, I don't know, just like underlying conditions. You never know. You probably have to cleanse out your body. Maybe you need to do a detox. Maybe you've eaten a lot of toxic foods that are just no longer good for you, and that you need to kind of clear it out, and your skin is kind of showing that. So I think that was kind of the case for me in my breakout, and the reason that led me to do the turmeric mask was because like I said, I was just eating a whole bunch of eggs and cheese, which I know is not good for me, and that's why I had the breakout. Along with my pillows, like I said, I switched the detergent, or they switched the detergent. They bought some detergent and switched it. So I guess that could be an underlying cause too. Not to say that I don't know, but it could be a lot of things, is what I'm saying. So guys, until next time, I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you guys later. Bye bye.